If you've moved to Japan recently, you know the struggle. You want to shop online on Amazon or Mercari, but you don't have a Japanese credit card yet. And getting approved for one can be, well, a bit of a headache. PayPay recently launched a feature called the PayPay Balance Card. It's a virtual Visa card that lets you spend your PayPay balance anywhere online that accepts Visa, and the best part? There is no credit check. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up. First, open your PayPay app. Before you apply, you must complete your identity verification. If you haven't verified your account yet, go to your profile and tap on Identity Verification. As a resident in Japan, keeping this updated is essential for features like cashing out to your bank or using the virtual card. You'll be asked if you have Japanese nationality. If you're a foreign resident like me, select No and proceed. You can use your My Number card or your driver's license. I recommend the My Number card as it's the fastest way. Next, the app will ask for your occupation. You'll see a list of options like corporate worker, student, or part-time worker. I'm selecting corporate. Just pick the one that accurately describes your current status. Right after that, you need to specify why you're using PayPay. You have 3 choices. For most of you watching this to shop online or pay for daily expenses, personal use is the correct choice. I'll select that and move to the next step. Now, this is the part where most people get stuck. You need to enter your 6 to 16 character alphanumeric passcode. This is the one you set at the City Hall when you got your card. Once that's in, place your phone directly on top of your My Number card. The app uses the NFC reader in your phone to scan the IC chip. Keep it still until the check mark appears. Double check that your katakana name matches your ID exactly. After you hit apply, PayPay will review your documents. This usually takes anywhere from a few hours to 3 days. You'll get a notification once it's approved. Once you're verified, go back to the balance card section. Tap Start and agree to the terms and privacy policy. And just like that, your virtual Visa is ready. You can see your card number, expiry date, and security code, CSV, right here. You can use these details just like a regular credit card. Quick tips: tap the PayPay barcode to view your virtual balance card, and tap Copy to copy card details. If this guide helped you out today, I'd love it if you could hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps me keep creating these smart tips for our community here in Japan.